back to DIY with Dewey. Today we're changing out our armrest on our 2001 Acura MDX. And this information should be pretty similar for all 2001 to 2006 Acura MDXs. This is the first gen Acura MDX. So there's a bracket right here. See the bracket, metal bracket? This pops off first. All right, do you see how it pulls right off? These are just little clips. Get a flathead and pry that apart. All right, there we go. See the gap right there? Now we can close this. Remove the 2 screws that are holding that little plastic cover. There's 4 screws holding the armrest on. So you remove the 4 Phillips screws. There's 2 right there. And then on the inside, when you open it, there's 2 screws as well. 2 screws right here need to be removed. Alright, put the 2 screws back in. Put the plastic cover back on. And then put these 2 screws back in. We got the new armrest in. Let's go ahead and reinstall our little AC panel. All right, so I'm gonna put it, the wire harness needs to go above this little slot. There, let me show you. There, so it goes in this little slot right here, so it closes flush. All right, so once you get that done, now everything will line up and pop in. All right, done. All right, new armrest is in.